Guys, today I have for you a review on the LEGO Speed Champions Lamborghini Countach, set number 76908, and it has 262 pieces. This set sells on lego.com for $19.99, or you can pick it up on Amazon for $19.97. There is an affiliate link in the description below if you want to pick one up on Amazon. And like I said, it is an affiliate link. This kit has a 4.5 star rating on Lego and on Amazon. And I agree, and we'll get into why I agree it's a 4.5 later in the review. So stick around. So this little car is pretty cool. I like it because of the scale. The details are nice. It looks like a Countach if you've ever seen one, other than the Stradman on YouTube, who owns one. I don't know if he has the Lego set. Stradman, if you ever see this video, hit me up. I'll send this to you for free. So the top comes off, and you can keep your little minifig in the driver's seat if you want to look. So here's the little minifig. Here is the minifig steering wheel. There's no seats. This is one of the only minifigs I have because my grandson likes to put stormtrooper helmets on all of my minifigs. Yeah, whatever, I don't care. He's my grandson, so he can do whatever he wants with them. The details on this Lamborghini is pretty nice. So let's start with the front. So on the front we have stickers for your running daytime lights and turn signals. We have the front splitter here. We have pop-up headlights, nice mirrors. If you look here, you can see the inlets here for the engine, and those are very, very nicely done. On the side, we have nice fender flares that make the body look wider so the wheels don't stick out. And then on the back, we have a spoiler that you can kind of move around. Not sure if it's intended to do that, but it's how it's placed on there. Red pieces for your brake lights. We have the stickers that say Lamborghini Countach. You got quad exhaust. Now the wheels are just regular wheels with the Technic piece. The Technic piece just kind of slides right in. The doors don't function. The mirrors look pretty cool. Actually, they do look like they could be mirrors if you use your imagination. On the side here, you'll see an inlet for the brakes. That is, pretty cool how they can do that little detail with Legos. It's a nice solid chassis on the bottom. And then on the sides here, they used pieces to make it kind of curve in to give the body a contour of sorts. Yeah, this is the Lego piece. This is the Lego set number 76908. The Lamborghini Murcielago, or if Damon Fryer would say it on DDE, I can't say it like him, but go check out DDE, and he always pronounce it because they are the Lambo ambassadors. Now the reason why I only gave this a 4.5 stars, I love the car. I love these little Speed Champions. They're cool because they're little, but I was missing my little Diablo sticker that goes on the hood. It wasn't there. It was missing. So if I had that, I'd probably give this a 5. But it's a 4.5. It's still a winner. You don't need the sticker. You know what a Lambo is when you see it. Now for the thing I'd like to know is how will this fit on your display shelving? So let's go ahead. Let's take a measure. So the car measures 6.5 inches long, about 2.5 to 2 3/4 wide, and it stands 1 3/4 tall. Very, very short height wise, just like any Lamborghini. Alright guys, so that's gonna do it for my video. Thanks for checking it out. Thanks for sticking around. Subscribe for more content. As always, have a great day and keep on building.